In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping and delivery on your Shopify store. So we're first going to head over to our Shopify dashboard, and then you need to click on settings from the bottom left-hand side. From the left-hand navigation, click on shipping and delivery, and then from here we'll have a couple of different options. Now you can either click on general shipping rates, and what this is going to do is apply shipping rates for all of your products on your website. If you want to make different shipping rates for different products, then you can do that by creating a new profile, but that's a little bit more complicated. So for this video, I'm just going to show you general shipping rates. So all you need to do is click on general like so, and then we're going to scroll down to the fulfillment location. Now by default, Shopify automatically give you all of these different shipping zones. So what we're going to do is just delete all of these to clean things up. So just go through the list and make sure we're starting with a blank canvas, and it should look something similar to this. So the first thing we need to do is create a shipping zone by clicking this add shipping zone button, and then we're just going to give our zone a name. So for this one, I'm going to set up a shipping zone for the United Kingdom, and then come down to the search country section, and we're just going to search for the United Kingdom. Then we can select it like so and press done. And now that we've set up the location, we also need to add a rate. So go ahead and click on the add rate button. For the rate type, you want to make sure this is use flat rate. Underneath shipping rate, pick the one that's best suited to your shipping times. So you can add a custom one here if it's longer than these, but for mine, I'm going to click on 1 to 3 business days. Then set yourself a price. So because this is going to the United Kingdom, I'm going to set myself a price of $3.99 for delivery. If you want to create free shipping, you can do that as well just by typing in 0 to this box. And once you're happy with your policy, we can just click done in the bottom. So now we've set up shipping to the UK for £3.99. And what we're going to do is just add some more shipping zones here. Now I'd recommend just creating shipping zones just to the most popular countries to begin with. So I'm going to add United States to this list as well. And we're also going to create a rate for the United States. Because this one's international, we're actually going to set this to a bit higher. I'm going to put this for £6.99 and then just press done to confirm. Now once you've added all of your shipping zones and all of your different rates for each country, then what about if you want to offer free shipping if a customer spends over a certain amount of money? So you can do this by clicking on the add rate button, and then what we're going to do is click on add conditional pricing, select based on order price. And for the minimum price, this is where you need to decide how much your customer needs to spend in order to be eligible for the free shipping. So I'm just going to set mine at £50. You want to make sure the price is set to 0, and then we can click done. And now as you can see, we have two policies for the United Kingdom. The standard shipping is just express 1 to 3 business days, and that's £3.99. And we've got this second policy where orders on £50 and up, this is going to be free shipping. And we can do this for other countries as well, just by adding additional rates here. And then once you've added all of your shipping zones and all of your different rates, you need to make sure you click save in the top navigation here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you create your shipping and delivery on your Shopify store. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.